Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It is another amazing day out here on Lake Ontario. So we've already done a couple trips on Lake Ontario. So we've been through the Toronto Harbor, which is just behind me there, and we've been down to Hamilton, which is that way. Down to Hamilton that way. So today, you know what I'm thinking we're going to do? We're going to go out and see the Scarborough Bluffs. Maybe even see if we can get all the way out to the Pickering Power Station. Check that out. I mean, just have a great day. Like, it is glassed off right now, and I'm going to take advantage of that. So guys, hope you come along with me. Enjoy this ride out on Lake Ontario, seeing the sights we see going out to the east end of Toronto area. So let's get going. So guys, last time we were out this way, we kind of went into the channel there, into the Toronto Harbor, like the interior harbor. So we've kind of already done that. You've seen it, you've enjoyed it. So today what we're gonna do, because it is so nice and calm out, we're gonna go, I'm gonna turn the camera, we're gonna go around the outside of Toronto Island just to cut a little bit of time off and start making our way east. So we're gonna head that way around. So let's get going. So we've made it around the easterly tip of the Toronto Island. So you can kind of see Toronto back up in there, and then what we're gonna do is head down that way. There is like a drilling platform out there that they're working on some new water system for the city. So that area is cordoned off, and there's a lot of people out fishing this morning. So great day to be out on the lake. So we're gonna head that way and make our way east and just see what we get to, check out the bluffs, and then keep going from there. Alright guys, so we've made it to the Scarborough Bluffs. Absolutely beautiful. Some cruisers parked in there, must have been anchored overnight. Again, still rocking this nice flat glass. So we're gonna go in, have a quick look. Like I said, get to see, you can see, well, I'm gonna see if I can get closer, but you get bits of it that fall off and stuff, right? So go have a look. Yeah, like, I don't know if you can see it on the thing, but eventually like these chunks will all kind of fall off and into the lake. So it just keeps eroding back and back. Like, there's some that's fallen off recently. Nice harbor right here, and then the bay opens up and there's another one way over there. That one I think is more of a yacht club. Nice little bay in here. Anyways, there we go, Frenchman's Bay. Alright, continue on and see if we can get to the power plant. I'm gonna follow this sailboat in. Here we are, folks. Pickering Nuclear Power Plant. I mean, kind of crazy to see. And the amount of security around it is ridiculous. They've got cameras everywhere, floodlights pointing out to the water. At least a 12-foot fence with barbed wire all over it. Wow. They ain't fooling around. Nor should they be. I mean, like, man, I don't want anyone doing anything with that shit. So, pretty cool. Okay, we'll kind of like go out and around it and see what we can see, and then make a decision on what we're gonna do. So, hey guys, so we've made it to Ajax, Ontario. It was an absolutely beautiful run, great scenery, nice little places to stop and stuff. And I mean, hi guys, what a day, right? Like, it's just glass. So I plan on going a bit further east, but I'm going to actually like drive the Sea-Doo out there. So I'm going to stop here for today just so the video isn't too long, and you know, just enjoy it. So thank you so much for coming along and watching this video. Thank you so much for all the likes, and guys, the subscriptions, man. We're over 500 subscribers. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. I truly do appreciate it. Keep them coming. I hope we can get to like 1,000 subs. That's my goal for right now. So until then, I mean, guys, just enjoy the summer. I know it's been a really rough year, so whenever you can get out on the water, enjoy it. And again, truly thank you for everyone that's been reaching out. I forgot to say that, like, everyone that's been reaching out, you guys are awesome. Great questions, great insight. I truly appreciate it. So just keep it coming, and we'll be out here enjoying stuff. So until the next adventure, stick around, be safe out on the water. Peace. Let's do you guys really, please, are you guys getting sick of let's see what we find or stuff like that? Because I need to, if I do, I need to come up with something else. So comment below, what should I say? Anyway, that's enough of me. All right, this is too nice weather to sit around. Let's punch it. Ooh, maybe I'll go with let's punch it. Be a little Star Trek one. Oh, I've only had one coffee this morning. Anyways, let's get going. Oh, damn it. Punch it.